Okay, in this video we're going to go over the Assets tab. This tab is pretty easy to use. Main thing you need to be aware of probably just how this grid tool works in general. The grid tool is designed so you can add an unlimited amount of rows. There's always one blank row at the bottom of each grid, and as you enter in information into this row, another one automatically pops up. So let's just say, for example, we found out that we had something working at Home Depot. You put that in there. Notice the second we do that, you get another row down here for your next entry. Over here on the left is where you can select your judgment debtor. In this particular case, we have two judgment debtors, Tamara and Jill. So when you enter in information, you want to select the judgment debtor. Now, if you only have one judgment debtor, then you don't really have to worry about this here. You can just leave it blank. But in the case, like in this situation where we have two judgment debtors, you want to select the judgment debtor name so you know what this information pertains to. Also, if you right-click, and this is the case on all of the grids tools, anytime you see a grid in the program, almost always if you right-click over here, you'll get some pop-up menu that'll give you some functionality. And for example, here we can delete that row that we just added. One other thing I wanted to mention is that on this grid tool, generally speaking, the column will automatically resize itself to fit the information that you put in there. So for example, I'll just put a bunch of X's in here, and the second I click away, that column automatically resizes to fit what I typed in. And that is true for almost all of the grids in the program. There are a few exceptions, but for the most part, whatever you type in there, if there's not enough space, just keep typing, and when you click away, it'll automatically resize itself. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Assets tab. It's pretty easy to use.